One of the things you don't want to miss when you come to the city of Guadalajara here in Jalisco is the big cathedral, the Guadalajara Cathedral, which is right behind me. It was actually commissioned to be built back in 1558 by King Philip II of Spain, and it took 60 years to make and complete. Well, after that, everything was fine for about a couple hundred years until in 1818, there was an earthquake here. And the two spiros, the bell towers, they came down. They were damaged, and so they had to be rebuilt. Okay, fine, no problem. They rebuilt them. Except 20 years later, another earthquake happened, and again they were damaged, and so they had to be rebuilt. When you come to Guadalajara, you can remember that the top of it actually was built in the mid-1850s. The bottom part, the majority of it, that was built way back in the late 1500s.